Hey guys, so today I've got a brand new unboxing video for something I bought online. I bought a new camera. Let's get this baby open. Alright, this is for a Camcorder camcorder with the Wi-Fi. It's got a touch screen, Wi-Fi, night shots, and it's capable for SD cards and micro SD cards. Let's pull this baby up. Alright, it's got starters out of the box. It's got this USB cable, and there's the user's manual. Oh cool, it even comes with its own case. Bonus. And it turns right on. Looks like the battery is fully charged and ready to go. Cool, it even turns around. Cool, touch screen. Got the charger, couple more cords. One's USB, this one plugs into the TV, and that's about it. Although one question remains: if this is an unboxing video for a camera, then how am I recording this?